How to replace the massage mechanism on the Human Touch Certus massage chair. Start by turning the power switch, located on the back of the chair, to off, then unplug the chair. Detach the back cover by removing the 4 screws that are securing it to the chair base. Disconnect the harness from the massage mechanism by cutting the zip ties, then disconnecting the 2 connectors. Next, slowly raise the massage mechanism to the top of the track by attaching one end of the plastic tube to a power drill and the other to the post on top of the motor. Open the top of the track by removing the bracket on both sides of the track, each secured by 3 screws. Reattach the power drill and plastic tube to slowly continue raising the mechanism, making sure the arms do not hit the upper backrest and the wheels do not fall out of the track. The mechanism will jump slightly when the lower wheels reach the end of the track. To remove the massage mechanism, carefully lift the wheels out of the track. To install the new massage mechanism, slide the lower wheels onto the track. Then, lower the mechanism by using a drill attached to one end of the plastic tube and the other to the post on top of the motor. As the lower wheels move downward on the track, make sure the arms have enough clearance as you lift the top of the mechanism through the upper backrest until the upper wheels are on the track. Reinstall the brackets on each side of the track and secure both with the 3 screws previously removed. Making sure the harness is inside of the rear metal bar, connect the 2 connectors by color. Then, secure the harness to the massage mechanism with zip ties and cut the excess tie. Slide the back cover onto the chair, matching the tabs to their corresponding spaces on the upper backrest. Then secure the backrest to the chair base using the 4 screws previously removed.